What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Josh, and we back at it again on the Kicks and Bricks channel, y'all. So, I just finished uploading my first sneaker review in a long time. It's on the Air Jordan 3 on years. Make sure y'all click back if y'all haven't already. Watch that video. Let me know what y'all thought about it, because I know that I for sure was not enthusiastically reviewing that sneaker because of certain features on it. So if y'all want to know what it is, make sure y'all hit, get on the video list, watch that video. Yeah, I think y'all like it a little bit because I just clown those sneakers a little bit, but we're not here to talk about them. If y'all want to hear about them, make sure y'all hit that video. Thank y'all for tuning in to this video, y'all. Make sure y'all hit that like button at the end of the video after you're done. Make sure y'all leave a comment or two. Make sure y'all hit the subscribe button so that you'll get notified every time I upload a video. All right, this is the second sneaker in the 4 that I haven't released that I've been sitting on. Well, 3 I've been sitting on for a while. One of them just came today, so we'll get to that one shortly. So, all right, this sneaker, it's my second favorite silhouette. It was a recent release, and I was able to cop 3 pairs, and only because on this silhouette, that you're gonna get a bounce back on this, if you hold on to it and make a little bread if you want to. So, but they don't call it, I'm gonna spoil it right now and say it. They don't call it, 4 for 400s for nothing, because 4s always go up that high. So let's get back and show you the box to what sneaker I'm talking about, and it's boom right here, y'all. It is a white and black box. I already let you know what silhouette it is, so let's read the tag. So here we got the Air Jordan 4 Retro. It's black, white, black. And ladies and gents, in front of us we have the Air Jordan 4 White Thunders. Man, so beautiful. Man, this material is hitting, man. So, let's check it out. Air Jordan 4 White Thunders, y'all. First impressions. This suede is so butter. Oh my God, man. But very dangerous to get scuffed, because once the scuff is gone, oh man, you can't recover from this one. But man, the white and behind the netting is dope. Tongue, everything's usual. Man, definitely happy I copped 3 pairs. First pair was from from the release day local pickup at a Foot Locker. I won the raffle for that. Second pair was off of Sneakers app, and the third pair was on this Nike restock that just happened a couple days ago. And I'm so glad I tripled up, because this is that. You know what? I might make this a daily wear here pretty soon. I'll wait everybody to wear the heck out of theirs and then start rocking mine. And I'm not. These are too dope to give them the blasphemous name of the Panda Force. No, sir. No, sir. I will not do that to these sneakers, y'all. But anyway, let's get this sneaker in front of the camera for the up close and personal, so y'all can have a good look at it. Because I tell y'all gonna love this material. Whew, I'm loving it, man. My feet are like itching already just to start wearing them. That's how dope this sneaker is. I love it. All right, well, let me stop flapping my jaw and get this in front of y'all for y'all to check it out. So there's nothing more to it than to do it. Let's get it in front of the camera. Let's get it. All right, y'all, in front of us, we have the Air Jordan 4 White Thunders. Man, what's up with my camera nowadays? It's taking a little longer to focus than usual. So, all right, we got the Air Jordan 4 White Thunders in front of us. We got these things. Oof, such beautiful, beautiful babies. I'm in love with the sneaker, man. All right, let's get these out of the box. And even though it's an all white box, it's still a generic Air Jordan 4 box. Nothing special to it other than, the cement shimmery stuff on there with the flight in the front. So let's get rid of these. Let's put these babies in front of us. Man, check them out, y'all. Look at the suede on them. So dope. And again, better not hear none of y'all calling them white, you know, Panda 4s. So disrespectful, y'all. Don't even play yourselves. But anyway, definitely beautiful rendition of the Jordan 4 silhouette. Everything's hitting on these. The back, the midsole with the suede, the white on there, the netting. Oh man, so beautiful, so basic. The simplicity. Sometimes the simple things are the things that do best. And right now, with this Jordan 4 release being so simple, man, it can't get any better than this. Nice padded, you know, insole. The padded tongue is pretty good. Got that big Jordan Flight logo on them. Man, whew. Of course, y'all know this is my second favorite silhouette. So, you know, if they released as many 13s as they did 4s, I would be a happy man. But for now, I got to deal with just buying a lot of these 4s. And of course, you guys know 4s for 4. Basically, all 4 retros for the Batominate. Predominantly, all 4 retros go up in resale value, y'all. So, but yeah, let me know what y'all think about these, y'all. I think definitely I'm gonna put these to feet almost right away. I'd say maybe December, January, I'll put them to feet, because let everybody get their rocking out of the way, where their, you know, white turns to sale, not because it's meant to be, but because they don't clean their sneakers. So, all right, y'all. Well, let me know in the comment section what y'all think about them. Let me know if y'all passed on these, if y'all copped, if you're, you know, doing like I did and copped 3 pairs because the opportunity arose to do so. Yep, I'm just so glad that I copped 3 pairs of these, y'all. All right, well, there's nothing left to say other than that. Let's get back in front of this camera, give our final thoughts and, you know, comments on the sneaker, and we'll take it from there, y'all. All right, let's get it. All right, y'all, that was the review for the Air Jordan 4 White Thunders, y'all. Man, y'all gotta agree with me on this one. This sneaker is pretty dope. For just being just a general release to the, you know, to the lineup for 2025, this is one of the better ones this year, y'all, and I'm happy I was able to cop 3. So, can't get over how beautiful this sneaker is, y'all. But all right, y'all, let me make sure y'all hit that like button. Y'all stood, you know, this throughout the video with your boy so far. So if y'all here still watching it, just nice and easy, hit that like button. Appreciate your support, y'all. Make sure you hit the comments that, you know, section up with what y'all think, you know, about the sneaker. Making sure, you know, hey, if you want to clown me on how much I love this sneaker too, you can do that, because man, this thing is beautiful. Make sure you hit the subscribe button so y'all get notified the next time I upload a video like this, y'all. And man, I can't wait to rock these, y'all. I can't wait. All right, y'all. Well, there's nothing left to say other than it's your boy Josh. We on the Kicks and Bricks channel. We got the Air Jordan 4 Retro White Thunders. Beautiful. Beautiful. Keep it locked in, and until next time, holla at your boy.